Surface area of right pyramids. All right, well, what is a right pyramid? All that means is that the top of the pyramid, or the vertex, also called the apex, is directly above the center of the base. That's what that means. There's a couple definitions that I want to go over, and the first one is the height. The height of a right pyramid is the perpendicular distance, that means a 90-degree angle, from the base to the vertex. The next thing that I want to go over is slant height. When you have a pyramid, you have for us, we're going to have the base, it's a square, or base, it's a rectangle. The base can be any polygon though. The sides will always be triangles. So the slant height of a pyramid, and this goes for any pyramid, is the height of the triangular faces. These are also called the lateral faces, as you see right here. Now, one of the things I want you to notice from this diagram, the slant height is given by the letter L, and height is given by the letter H. They do that so you don't get the two of them confused. Height is how tall the distance from the base to the vertex, how tall the pyramid is, and the slant height is the height of just the triangular face, or the lateral face. So let's try a sample problem, shall we? Here, surface area of a square pyramid. Now, the nice thing here is that the base is a square. Because the base is a square, that means that the triangular faces are congruent. And again, this works with the right pyramid that we're working with. So our base, the area of the base is just 10 times 10, or 10 squared, and that's 100. The faces, the pyramids that we're dealing with, all have 4 triangular faces. So I have 4 times 1/2 of the base size times the height, and then 4 times 1/2 times 10 times 13 is 260. If I add these together, I get a surface area of 360 centimeters squared. Cool, that's a square pyramid. Now let's try a rectangular pyramid. Hopefully you noticed on this pyramid that there are 2 different slant heights. That's because the base is no longer square. So when you're finding the area of this one, the base is just a rectangle, so it's going to be 20 times 10, or 200. And then the faces, we have 2 of them that are 1/2 times, I'll do the one in front first, 20 times its slant height, which is 15.8. This is equal to 316. And then I have 2 of them that are 1/2 by 10 by 18. And this is equal to 180. If I add all these together, I get a surface area of 696 centimeters squared.